Show a sippy cup. Gotta turn this around somehow. Hogan, first time in your life. Hey, up here. Look. Yo, look at this. Look. Ooh, want this? Show a sippy cup. First time. See if you can do it. Oh. Whoa. No way. You can do it yourself? First time? Drink it. You got it? No way. You're 5 months old? What day's today? August 3rd, 2009?
He's doing it. He's so smart.
You gotta tip it up a little bit. You gotta tip it up. Whoa. Maybe I'll slide you back a little bit. How's that? How's that? Ooh. Man, you just,
Beasted it.
yeah, you just did it. You didn't even have to be taught it.
Because he knows what comes up.
Yeah. Oh. Well, that was pretty good. You gotta tip it up a little bit. Ooh. There you go. So is this no more bottle guy?
No.
Sippy cup?
Still a bottle guy.
Alright.
This is just introduction to the sippy cup.
Oh.
I put formula in it, but from now on I'm just going to give him water sometimes with it.
You really get this, don't you? He's like, yeah, I made one last night. You like that sippy cup?
Yeah.
You're saying, ah, good.
Oh.
Whoops. Is that where that stain came from? Sorry. Alright, I spilled the juice. I gotta go.